Hi everyone. Have you ever accidentally formatted your USB drive and lost all your important files? Well, today in this video, I'll create the same situation and show you how I successfully recovered all my data step by step. So for the purpose, I'll use the software called Advanced File Recovery, which is specially designed to recover deleted and formatted data from USB drives, hard disks, SSDs, SD cards and more. So to get started, you need to download the software. Simply go to this web page from the link given in the video description, download the setup from here and install it. Once installed, you will see a similar dashboard that will list all the drives present on your PC along with your USB drive. So from here, you can perform a quick scan, and if the quick scan fails to recover your data, you can perform a deep scan that will analyze all the sectors of your drive. So let me create the situation. As you can see, this is my USB drive that has different files of different formats. So I'll simply format it. Now going to the dashboard, selecting the USB drive, I'll click next. Now it will show you the type of files you want to recover. So I want to recover all of my data and click on start scan. So the quick scan did not find any files. So if I now click on yes, it will go for the deep scan. That's it. The scan is completed and it has found approx thousands of files. Now from here you can select and preview files before recovering them, but I want to recover all of my data, so I'll simply click recover now. Now to save the files, you need to select a destination other than the drive from where you are recovering the files. So let me create a folder in a different drive and set that location for the recovery. And that's it. The recovery process has finished. Now inside the recovered data, you will get to see two folders inside which you will get all the recovered data. And if you go to the second folder, you will see the recovered folders as per their file types. Now let me give you my honest review after using this tool. Overall, the performance was really impressive. The software was easy to use, the deep scan worked perfectly, and I was able to recover almost all my files from a completely formatted USB drive. But there is one drawback I noticed. The recovered files were assigned random names by the tool instead of their original names. Because of that, it became a bit difficult to find my exact files. I had to open them one by one to identify them. So yes, that part can be a little time consuming. However, apart from this issue, everything else worked perfectly. If they fix this in a future update and restore original file names, this tool would be absolutely amazing. So if you want to buy the software, simply go to this web page from the video description, where you can buy it for as low as 27 USD approx, and with that you will get advanced photo organizer totally free for lifetime. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech fixes and tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you.